Hi, YouTubers. This is Eyvette from My World of Metaphysics. And today I want to talk to you quickly about the law of attraction facts that changed my life. Yes, I want to talk to you about this because so many people ignore this. And it is the most important part to the law of attraction. It is the actual secret. You've heard it many, many times, but again and again, not only you, but we all forget at some point. Some of you guys don't even use it and are working it in default. So I want to talk to you guys about this real quick while I'm giving you a little tour of upstairs of my house to let you guys know that everything that I have, I manifested using the law of attraction. And you can do it too. So now, the main thing I want to talk to you about this morning is your thinking. What you think, what you pay attention to. All the things that you pay attention to day after day, every single minute is what you are attracting into your life. So if you guys are out there bickering and arguing with people or your spouse or your people at your job, you are actually creating your future. So if you guys aren't thinking about life that way, you are missing out on the whole part of the law of attraction. When you think about negativity, things on the news, things in the newspaper, you are actually implanting a seed in your subconscious mind about these situations, and it's bringing you closer and closer to it. My whole thing is, when I first started out, I didn't know about the law of attraction, but I was practicing it the whole entire time. Like I said, I told you guys in a couple of my other videos that I have a very vivid imagination. I always imagine myself as being successful. I always imagine myself as doing better than the average person. And for some reason, things always just worked out for me. Things always opened up for me. It could be something not working for me, and all of a sudden the right person will come in at the right time. It was almost like the universe was saying, keep thinking the way you're thinking, and we'll make sure whatever you need is put into place to make sure you achieve it. That's how simple it is. I didn't know at that time that's what I was doing. And I was doing this for many years, since I was in my teens. I went to nursing school. Before anything could happen to me, the law of attraction, the universe made sure I had the right teachers by my side. I moved up from food service to a nurse practitioner, and I'm still climbing the ladder in other fields in my life. Why? It's because the universe made sure whatever I did, I was going to be successful. I didn't think that I can afford this townhouse when I moved in here, but the universe made sure that the right people were put into place for me to get it. Yes, this is my townhouse. And if you watched my video on how I manifest my townhouse, you would actually see the replica that I placed on my vision board, that this is the same place. So listen, whatever it is you guys are trying to create in your life, whatever it is you want, you can have it. The secret is whatever you pay attention to, whatever you focus on is what is going to be your future. It's just that simple. When you find yourself thinking negative thoughts, catch yourself and switch your attention to something else. I told people before, set an alarm on your clock, on your phone, stating, hey, look, what are you thinking about? What are you doing? It doesn't have to be something that's loud. It could just be a beep, something to get your focus back on the right track. Because a lot of us, we all, sometime or another during the day, we start focusing on things that we're not supposed to focus on. Especially with all these pandemics going on, the racial inequality, and all these other things that's going on in other countries. We have no choice but to hear and see these things. But my thing is, hey, look, you get the information, you do what you can, and then you focus back on what you need to do in your life. Listen, the biggest secret to the law of attraction is you creating your life what you think about. And I am a living proof. I went from food service to direct care to a nurse to a nursing administrator to a nurse practitioner, and I'm growing regardless. I owned a 12-unit apartment building. I had 2 homes. I had many different cars. All of these things came to me, and I never struggled to keep them. I'm telling you, whatever you think about, whatever you picture yourself as having, being, and doing, it will work through the law of attraction as long as you have patience and you keep taking action in what it is that you want. This is a quick video. I just wanted to give you guys some reassurance that the law of attraction is true and let you guys know my biggest fact with the law of attraction, something that a lot of us ignore. So if you like this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap this bell because this is the Law of Attraction Metaphysical channel that brings you that information that you can understand. Again, this is Eyvette. You can follow me at myworldofmetaphysics.com where you can receive one-on-one coaching from me or Torah readings. You can also go to store.myworldofmetaphysics if you want to buy crystals and candles and sage and incense, anything for your spiritual needs. Again, this is Eyvette and namaste.